I'm Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Ayan, it's been 2 months now that we've been together in this new YouTube channel. Thank you so much! Alright, today may bago akong ibabahagi sa inyo na pwede mong ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. Healthy tips, at saka at the same time, this is healthy option. Alright! Today, gumagawa ako ng vegetable medallion. Ayan, that's made of broccoli, and then patatas, at saka cauliflower. Ayan! Sobrang healthy ito. Para to sa buong pamilya. Alright, stay tuned for that! Kung bago ka sa channel ko, please support me by subscribing my channel. And please do not forget to click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. Yan ang mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating vegetable medallion. Kailangan natin ng potato, and then cauliflower, and then yung ating broccoli. Yan. Okay. We just clean it off. We just peel it off. And then, yeah, stay tuned for the actual procedure.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Cut it like that. Okay, ating cauliflower. And then all these things we just put it there, and then yung ating broccoli will just take out those yung medyo matigas. Yan. Okay, right, like that. Yes, that's our broccoli. Alrighty. Yes. And then we just wash it off. Okay. So yan, nahugasan na po natin yung ating mga vegetables na ating gagamitin. And then we just cut it sa desired na cut na gusto natin. Yeah. Right. Okay, and then we just dump it in our pan. Yeah. Okay, and then lalagay lang natin sa ating casserole, and then pakukuluan lang natin ng about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, and then just leave it there. Then let it come to boil, and then just cover, and then we'll just check after 5 to 8 minutes. Alright, so after 5, now this is about 7 minutes already. Okay, let's check. Okay, wow, and look at that. Yung ating broccoli is very green. Okay? Yeah. Don't overcook. Yan. Tama lang na maluto yung ating potato, and then yung ating cauliflower. Okay? Okay, we'll give it about another 3 minutes. Yeah? Okay? Yeah, we'll just check again kasi ang ating patatas ay hindi pa masyadong luto. Alright. Right. After exactly 10 minutes, let's check again. Yes. Tamang-tama na yung luto ng ating vegetables. Right? We just drain it a bit and then ilagay natin sa ating bowl. Right. Okay, lipat lang natin dito. And we just switch it off. Okay, look at that. Yan yung ating pre-cook na patatas, yung ating cauliflower at yung broccoli natin. Okay, we just leave it and then let it cool down for about 1 to 2 minutes and then ilagay na natin sa ating food processor. Alright, okay, looks good. Right, so after 2 minutes, ayan, medyo muusok-usok pa yung ating vegetables. Ito po yung ating gagamitin na ating food processor. Right, I just put it in, dump it there. Ayan. Kailangan lang yung i-fill in yung inyong food processor. Okay. Okay, you have to do it batch by batch, okay? We just cover our food processor and then okay, see that? Check. Right, just good enough. Okay, take out the blade. Just take out the blade and then put it in that separate bowl. Yeah.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Nilagay natin sa ating food processor na vegetables, yung ating patatas, broccoli, and cauliflower. Ayan. Okay, we just mix it a bit and then we just add on salt and pepper. Okay. Yeah. Alright. And then salt. Salt is about a teaspoon. Anyhow. Okay. And then just mix it. Just make sure lang na incorporate yung ating salt and pepper, and then para maging malasa yung ating vegetable medallion. Alright. Okay. And then we'll try with check. Looks good. And then we just shred cheese. Okay. After that, shred natin ng cheese. Ayan. You could use any cheese kung anong meron kayo dyan sa bahay ninyo.
Everybody shake it, baby.
In there. And then just mix it. Okay.
Smells good kasi yung combination ng cauliflower at saka broccoli, pabango talaga yun. And smells very healthy. Ayan. Amoy pa lang, healthy na. Yung aking baking pan, ayan, grinis ko lang siya and then nilagyan ko siya ng baking paper or parchment paper. Okay? Then meron akong 1/4 cup na ginagamit para even yung ng size ng inyong vegetable medallion. Okay. Okay, just like that. Just put it there. It's sticky. Yan.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Okay, yan na po yung ating vegetable medallion, and then we just baked it for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Ayan. Okay, alright, see you after 20 to 25 minutes.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Guys, it's been 2 months now that we've been together in this new YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your trust and for your support. And I hope you keep on supporting me and keep on watching my video, keep on liking, commenting, and sharing my video. Alright! Yan, kung saan ka man ngayon, please always keep safe. And then do not forget to wear your sweet smile to bring more positivity in life. Alright! Okay, and always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video, guys. And I hope to see you again next time in my next video. Bye! 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 Love you!